Hey guys, this is a quick update on Typhoon Soudelor. So it made landfall this morning at 5 a.m. and oh man, it's bad over there. Right now, Soudelor, I am at 7-Eleven Central Time. It is basically in the middle of Taiwan, right over the mountains that are in the middle of Taiwan. This is bad news because all that rain up there is just going to funnel down to the bottom. There are villages at the bottom of these mountains, and they are going to be probably, a lot of them are going to be destroyed. Some of the rainfall amounts already are unbelievable, okay? Unbelievable. There's a rain total of 44.53 inches at Taiping Shan, I believe I'm saying that right, at Datong Township, Yilan County. Okay, that was at 6:35 a.m. in Taiwan. Unbelievable, and it still has the other half of the, basically the other half of the island to go. Now these mountains are kind of tearing some of it apart, but the storm was so massive and huge that it is having problems falling apart. So it's going to get back out to that water and head towards China. So China, be on the lookout. It's headed towards y'all next. Okay, this is the biggest story with this is rain. Although there have been some crazy winds, okay? So keep the people of Taiwan in your prayers, guys. They need it out over there. Devastating situation going on in the mountains, for sure the mountains, okay? 2 people have died from being swept away by the waves, and basically it'll come to light the extent of the damage as the day goes on today, and as conditions might start to improve later this afternoon. So keep them in your prayers, guys. This is a big deal. Hopefully everybody turns out okay. So like this video, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more updates on this monstrous and powerful storm, guys. Thanks a lot.